And then kanina si Luis mentioned about politics, ano? Halimbawa, sumama sa politiko. Would you be supporting him sa pagpasa sa
Oh, of
politics?
course naman po. Kasi, si Lu naman, hindi naman stranger yung kumbaga siya, hindi naman siya stranger to politics. And especially his family also. For me, actually nagkaiyakan pa kami niyan eh. Kasi nung nalaman ko na he's open to it. Ako kasi before I wasn't. Sabi ko, nasa showbiz na nga tayo, magpapolitika ka pa, hindi lalong gugulo yung buhay natin. But, when he told me na he's open to it, sabi ko, sige, I support you. Who am I to deny that to you? Diba? It's part of your life. Your family has been in, the industry and politics also their whole lives. So who am I to stop you from doing that? From, giving service to our kababayans, diba? To the Filipinos. So sabi ko, sige, supportahan kita. And I think he has the right heart for it. He has such a big heart. And alam naman natin lahat na napakatalino din ni Luis. And I think he's a perfect person to serve our country. So why not? I mean, I will be there all the way. Kahit saan ko siya mapagpag. Sasama talaga ako. Hakay-hakay ko si Rosie.